garlic going in. One tablespoon. A little bit of oil. We got eggs, two eggs, or shrimp. Black pepper, a pinch of salt, lower down the heat, very hot. Loosen up the rice before you put it in. Okay. There you go. Be careful. And in goes the rice. Make sure your heat is on low for now. Try and mix the rice in with the rest of the ingredients before you turn the heat back up to high to finish up cooking it. Oh my goodness, smells so good. The reason why we put shrimp in last because shrimps cook very fast. So by the time that we get everything mixed in, shrimp should be done and not overcooked. point, we can go ahead and add other ingredients or sauces. We got half a teaspoon of salt. Got about a teaspoon of sugar. Maybe a teaspoon and a half. Mix it. It's about maybe 2 teaspoons or so of fish sauce. After everything is very well combined, go ahead and turn the heat up to high. Look at that, shrimp mostly done. Okay. And at this point, you can go ahead and add in the green onion. Have to work fast after you turn on the heat high. We got a piece of butter. Go right in. Just about a tablespoon or so. Mix it. Mix it in. You can leave that part out too if you don't like butter, but it makes it taste much better with seafood. It just goes together. Start it to melt. Go ahead and taste the food. You want to always taste your food and then add any more seasoning as needed. Okay. I think we probably need a little bit more either salt or fish sauce. I'm going to go ahead and add about another teaspoon or so of fish sauce. Give and take. That should do it. Just your own seasoning. If you don't like it too salty, then put less salt or less fish sauce.